Sharpening tools and grinding work is made easier and more exact with Rikon's low-speed 1750 RPM bench grinder. Lower speeds allow for better control while reducing the buildup of heat, which otherwise can ruin the hardness and temper of the tool. This has more than enough power for small workshops, carpenters, turners, carvers, and other craftspeople working with hand tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High quality. This durable bench grinder includes 1 inch by 8 inches 60 grit and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wheels. Number 2. Powerful. With a powerful half HP motor with 1750 RPM, this slow-speed grinder has more than enough power for small workshops and for carpenters, turners, carvers, and other craftspeople working with hand tools. Number 3. Sturdy and safe. This grinder's base is made of cast iron and features anti-vibration rubber feet. No mistakes will be made because of vibrations. Number 4. Adjustable. The adjustable safety eye shield and spark resistors allow you to feel safe while using the slow-speed grinder. Also, this bench grinder includes a groove in its design for the sharpening of drill bits. Number 5. Keep it cool. This grinder is fully equipped with a diamond wheel sharpener and is ideal for sharpening operations since it reduces heat buildup, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.